Hi. I thought this was the easiest way to do this. I made it. I didn't lose any power. Yay. That's a win in Florida. Very lucky. It was a very lucky night. One of the worst things about living through one of these is I was up watching television and watching the storm till about 4:30. And then when I went to bed and woke up, I didn't have internet. And the way that plays out is you don't know where the storm is. You don't know where the storm is. You don't know if you're in trouble. You just don't know. So I had some kind of old emergency message that said 11 o'clock. And I was sitting and watch people driving and walking their dog and whatever. So now what happens is we can't leave the island until they check the integrity of the bridges. So I'm in search of food. I just asked my neighbor if there's anything open. He said, yeah, everything's open because it's Florida. We're stuck here. Everybody's stuck. There's no internet, but I never lost power. So I hope everyone's okay. I'm hoping I can get somewhere where I can tell who's okay and who's not okay. I'll go ahead and try to take some pictures of how we turn into, I was thinking something like off a Thriller because we're all out now. Anyway, we made it. Thursday Fox News, or day before yesterday Fox News, and yesterday hurricane. Pretty exciting week. So the first stop is the beach. I meant to say, if y'all could like and subscribe, I always forget to say that. If you or anyone you know are looking to buy and sell in the Brevard County area, I'd love to help you out. Let's see what it looks like after a hurricane. So it's Goombase. It's pretty crowded out. People running to the beach so I can make my phone calls and take pictures and eat.